This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood slightly, push the hood safety latch to your right, then raise the hood. Remove the hood prop rod and place it in the slot marked for the hood prop. Pull out the connector lock and disconnect the desired bulb's electrical connector. Turn the headlight bulb counterclockwise and withdraw the bulb from the housing. The bulb is integrated into the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb into the housing. Align the lugs when inserting, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Connect the bulb electrical connector and slide the connector lock in.